Do Not Disturb silences notifications, alerts, calls, and messages. Here's how to turn it on or off. On your iPhone or iPad, just open Control Center. Touch and hold the focus button, and then select Do Not Disturb from the list. Turning it on for this device will turn it on across all of your devices signed in with your Apple ID. While you're using Do Not Disturb, the icon, which looks like a crescent moon, will appear at the top of your iPhone screen in the status bar. Pro tip: you can open Control Center again and tap the Do Not Disturb icon to quickly turn it off or back on. Now you can reduce distractions on your iPhone more easily with Do Not Disturb.